Hey guys, so today I wanted to open up this LOL doll. I opened up one before, but today I have a new one to try. And this is a different location. We'll see how this works. Sounds a little echoey because it's a different room, but we'll see. This one is the LOL Surprise Glitter series. I guess this is the only one they had. There wasn't like a series 2 or anything. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I've only opened one LOL doll before, and that one was a crier. So hopefully this will be something else. Alright, so with that one we had, what is that, Diamonds Are Forever? Yes. So that's the little sticker. I love the hearts on here. I think that is so cute. So let's open this layer. Ooh, that one was nice. And here are the stickers. So it could color change, spit, pee, or cry. Ooh, it's like a rose gold ball. So here's our first blind bag. And it's cute and blue with a blue glittery top. So here are the little shoes. So cute. Little white shoes. Oh, okay, doesn't want to stand. And PS Toy Reviews calls this the pizza trap door. Ooh, cute! So here's the little outfit, and it's blue and glittery with little bows. That is so cute. And the glitter does kind of get off on your hands. So let's open it. Alright, and this can be like a little seating area. So let's open this first. Ooh, we got a crown. So it looks like this. And let's open the doll. Oh my god! Look how cute she is! She's got glittery hair and little white gloves. So let's look at the checklist and see who we got. So it looks like the one that we got is Miss Baby. And she is a fabulous, so I guess she's just common. There she is in the corner here. It says she could either pee or spit. Yeah, she spits. So I'm going to go ahead and dress her in her outfit. She's still spitting. And here she is all dressed up. And she doesn't want to stand. Nope. There we go. Okay, there she is standing. It looks like there's not very many to collect, only 12. So, but they're all very cute. Oh, there she goes. I think we have time for another one. So we can go ahead and open the next one. So I'll put her off to the side. All right, so here's the next one. Love that. Can't be the only one who thinks that plastic sounds awesome. So what is this, glitter bomb? Yes, glitter bomb. More of those stickers. Looks like this is wrapped a little weird. There we go. Ooh, I have this bottle. It's red and glittery. The shoes, the little orange shoes. They're like little boots. Very autumnal so far. And the pizza trapdoor. See her outfit. Aww. So she's a little sports star, looks like. So here's her little outfit, all glittery. Start these. Is that a little headband, it looks like? Is this a binky or something? This is really small. Oh, okay, a little necklace maybe? And here's our doll. Adorable. So here she is, and her hair's all glittery. Really cute. So let's look at her checklist. So here she is on the front. There. She's MC Swag, and she's also just a regular common. And it says she could pee or she could cry. So let's see what she does. And I think I might have another crier. Let's see. Yeah. She's only crying out of one eye. But she's another crier. So this is the second crier I've had, but the first one today. Alright, so let's dress her up and see how she looks. Okay, there she is, all dressed up. So these are the dolls that we got today. Which one is your favorite? I think my favorite is going to be Miss Baby on the left here. I think she's super cute, especially when her crown is on, but it doesn't like to stay on and actually have her stand. So I'm having her lean up against it. I just love that it's not, you know, a bunch of just white dolls. You know, it's very ethnically diverse, which I love. I think every toy company should be like this, which it looks like it's getting to that point now, which I love, because when I was a kid, it was just a bunch of white toys everywhere, and it's so nice that they have something like this where there's more than just one skin color. Even the lighter ones have different skin tones, so I just love that. I think that's so important. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like these kinds of toy videos, let me know. I love the toy videos, but doesn't seem like anybody else really likes them that much, so let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. Subscribe if you wanna, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.